All right, so we've reached the last puzzle, puzzle number 8, which is called Rock, Steel, and Ice. And there's really not too much to go on in this puzzle. You have this square of 6 numbers arranged like this, and a couple of clues. You've bit off more than you can chew. You're not one to zero in on details. And apparently in the context of this puzzle, you're without a light. That last clue is what we'll focus on first. So without a light, this is not immediately obvious. This one was definitely intended to require some outside thinking here. But without a light, you're trying to figure out where you are, and all you can really rely on in this puzzle, at least in the context of it, is touch. And as it turns out, there is actually an alphabet that we can use that is purely based on touch. It's the Braille alphabet. And all Braille characters are actually arranged as a 2x3 grid, just like this set of numbers. And then we have these other 2 clues here that were part of the flavor text of this puzzle. You've bit off more than you can chew, and you've seen there that I've highlighted the word bit, and you're not one to zero in on the details, so I've highlighted those 1 and 0 as well. So it turns out, if you take these numbers and you transform them into binary, 0s and 1s, you end up with this as your sequence. Now we have 6 sets of 6 numbers arranged in a grid that we can maybe transform into Braille. Let's see if we can find a way to make that work. So we have these 6 numbers. Let's just take a look at maybe the first one of all of them. So if we take a look at the first one of all of them, we have a couple 1 1 0 1 0 0, and we transform every 1 into a dot, so a raised dot that you would feel if you were using the Braille alphabet. And a 0 is the absence of a dot, so there's nothing there. If we look at the grid on the right there that has the translations of letters into Braille, we see that this actually maps to the concept of D, where there are 3 bumps arranged in a similar pattern to those 3 1s there. And if we continue to do this with the second one, we would find that this pattern mimics R. And if we keep doing this for all 6 of them, we would find that what we found in this scary cave was a dragon. And that was the answer to puzzle number 8. Again, just want to thank you so much for participating in CS50x Puzzle Day 2017. I hope you had a lot of fun. We look forward to seeing you for the next iteration of it in 2018. Take care. This was CS50.